I generated this video with Grok AI.
Guy, this Grok AI no dey really free again oh. You go subscribe before you fit even generate video. Now wow. People no happy about them at all. Everything now na subscription.
Now you guys are seeing this video. This video you just watched right now, I generated the entire video with AI for free. You can still use AI for free. I'm going to show you in this video a platform that will give you access to AI for free, and it is unlimited. So make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'm going to show you step-by-step method how you can access AI on this new platform which I just found, that you are going to be using AI for free so that you will be generating your videos. If you don't have money to subscribe to Grok AI on their website, then you can use this method and it's going to work for you perfectly. What you just need to do for me right now is just to hit that subscribe button right now, so that when next I drop more videos like this, you'll also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now, let's get started. So to get access to this AI tool, the first thing you have to do is to go to your browser. If you are using Google Chrome or any browser you are using, you can use your phone to do this. Yes, you can use your phone to do this, and you can also use your laptop. But I'll be using my laptop so that you guys are going to see everything very clear. Now, you just search for this app on your Google Play Store or Apple. You just search for this app on your browser, this name of this AI. You search for it. As you can see, it is called Digen AI. I don't know how to pronounce it, but you can see it. Now, when you click on it, you are going to see it. This first one here, you click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to the interface of the AI platform. And this is how you are going to see the interface of the AI platform. This is how it's going to look like. Now, this is how the interface is going to look like. As you guys can see, it has different type of AI model. You guys are going to see it like this. Now, the first thing you are going to do is to click on, you log in or you sign up. If you have not signed up, you register a new account. So let me register a new account and show you guys how the interface look like, so that we can start generating videos using this platform. We can use, now let's register. Let me click on continue with Gmail. Now I just register a new account. As you can see, register a new account, and it's telling me to upgrade, but we will not upgrade for now. After you register a new account, they are going to give you 180 credit. As you can see, 180 credit here, and every day if you are logging into this platform, they will be giving you 180k every day. They will always renew it for you. Every day they will renew it, so that you'll be getting free 180 credit, which you are going to use to generate videos and images. Now, this is how you are going to do. If you want to generate images or you want to generate videos, all you just need to do is just to click here. As you can see, you are going to see where they say describe images. Now, this is what you need to do. You can decide to click here like this. As you can see, this is VO3. When you click here, this is Saro 2 up here. You are seeing it, Abby. You are going to see different type of AI model. Now, as you can see, this is Sedans 2, Google VO3, VEO, Sora 2 here, and you see images here. You see create videos. You are going to see space. Now, when you want to create images, you click on image here. Now, when you click on image, this is where you are going to generate your images. So right now, I'm going to use this platform to generate image for you guys, image motion. Now, I'm going to use it to generate image for you guys. After I generate the image, I'm also going to show you how you can use it to generate free image to video, so that now we are using Nano Banana to generate our image. Now, this is what we need to do. Let me just copy my simple prompt and paste it here, so that I'm going to generate image and you guys are going to see it. Now, I've copied my image prompt. Let me paste the image prompt here, and the next thing I'm going to do is to select the aspect ratio. Now, I want to use it for TikTok. Now, as you can see, I'm putting it in 16.9. So if you are using it for YouTube or I'm using it for YouTube, so I'm putting it in 16.9. If I use it for TikTok, you are putting it in 9.16. So I'm using it for YouTube. Now you select your result here. As you can see, if you want it in 2K, you want it in 4K. But if you want it in 1K like this, it's going to be free. As you can see, free image generation. So let's click on continue, because we want to generate it for free. Now, as you can see, it's generating our image for us. Now, this image is what I'm going to use right now to turn it to video using this AI tool. Don't worry, you are going to see how you are going to use this AI tool to generate videos for yourself. Now, in this AI tool, you can generate videos with VEO with Sara 2 and also others AI model. Now, as you can see, this is our image. Now, as you can see, now it's telling us to make a video. As you can see, say make a video. Now, if you want to make this thing a video, this image a video, all we just have to do is just to click on make a video like this. Now, when you click on make a video, you are going to see something like this. As you can see, it's generating our video for us. Now, as you can see, say it's generated in 5 seconds, and this is the video resolution. This is the video quality, that is 480p. Don't worry, I'm going to also show you how you are going to generate videos using your own prompt to generate the video. Don't worry, I'm going to show you, because I see a lot of people will be saying they cannot be able to put their prompt. No, you can use your prompt. You can also put your prompt to generate the video. But I'm just showing you that you can create image also using this AI tool, and now it's generating our video. Now, before it end up generating our video, you can also decide to upload another image here, and when you click on upload image, this is where you're going to upload your image and you are going to give it a prompt. Don't worry, I'm going to show you where you're going to give it a prompt and you start generating image to video. But let's give it some minutes so that it's going to generate this image to video for us automatically, just the way Grok used to do. You know, sometimes on Grok, when you upload image, you can animate the image without giving it a simple prompt. You can't without giving it any prompt. This AI tool also work on that. Yes, you don't need any prompt to do this, and it will generate the video for you. So you can also do this on this AI tool. Just the way I said at the beginning of this video, if you have not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button so that when it's to drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. And when you scroll down here, you're also going to see where you're going to upload image. As you can see, this is start frame and this is end frame. Like other AI model like VEO3 or other AI model like Sora, that you can upload your first image and also upload your second image, so that you are going to upload 2 images and you create 1 video. You can also do that using this AI tool. As you can see, this is the first image I upload. I can decide to add another image here as my end image. You can also do that using this AI tool. Now, this is the image it generated for us. This is the image. So if you want to, maybe let's download this image to our phone, you just click up here. You are going to see download. So we download this image to our laptop right now, and after we download this image, I'm going to show you how you are going to convert this image to video. And to do that, for example, let me take you guys to the beginning of the home page. Now, on the home page, I'm going to show you where you're going to upload your image. You click on this plus icon here and you click on upload image. Upload image, as you can see. Then you are going to upload the image. This is the image we just download right now, the image we just created from this platform, and we click on open. Now, when you click on open, it's going to upload the image here. Now, when you upload the image, the next thing you are going to do is to copy your prompt, your video prompt. Now, I have my prompt on ChatGPT already. This is my video prompt. As you can see, this is my video prompt. Now, I'll just need to copy this prompt, and after copying the prompt, I'll go back to the AI tool and I'm going to paste it here. Now, click on paste. And after I paste the prompt, as you can see, this is the prompt. The image is still uploading up here. You can select here. This is where you are going to see different type of AI model here. As you can see, they have real model 3.1 2-born, which is free. As you can see, this one is free. Now you are going to see Google VO3, Grok AI video. You are going to see a lot of them, different type of AI model here, and some even say coming soon. Now, but we are going to be using this first one that say real motion 3.1 2-born. As you can see, that one that was free, we are going to use that one. And after our image is uploaded, now as you can see, our image is uploaded, and the next thing, we click on this 3 dots here, and we are going to set our duration. As you can see, we set it at 5 seconds, and orientation we set it with automatic. Our resolution we also set it on 4.80p. Now our speed we leave it somewhere like this, and after that, the next thing we are going to do is to click on this mark here, this one here, and we start generating our video. Now let's generate our video. Now we are generating.
Wait, guys, I know you enjoyed that video you are watching right now. You enjoyed the tutorial. But please, I want you to support this channel by giving it a subscribe button if you have not subscribed to this channel. And if you have subscribed and you have not liked this video, make sure you like this video so that YouTube is going to push this video to more people. Don't forget, subscribe, like, and also comment in the comment section of this video. Now, let's get back to our video.
Image to video. Remember, the one we generated before was
video, the one we generated before was image to video automatically. That one we did not put prompt, but this one, this time we put prompt. So let's wait for our result, and we are going to see the differences between our result and this one, because that one did not have prompt and this one has prompt. So let's check and see, wait and see the result. Now you remember when we register this account, they give us 180 credit, and after you successfully log in and you do everything, you click on video, they are going to give you 300 credits. Now from that 300 credit, as you can see, we have 294. So each video you created, you are going to be charged 20 credits. So if you calculate it, how many videos can you generate with that 300 credits per day? So every day you'll be getting 300 credits, which you are going to be using to generate your videos. Now as you can see, everything here, our video is just generating. As you can see, the two Nigeria guy, our video is still generating. So let's just give it a minute. Now this is the video here. Yes, this is the video. As you can see, I don't think maybe you guys are seeing it. I say time wait limit is 2 minutes, so we have to wait for another 2 minutes and start generating after this second. So we can generate a new one after this second. So let's wait for it to complete. Now as you can see, this is the video here, and in a minute it's going to generate the videos for us. So let's wait for some minutes and let it generate the video for us. And after I generate the video, I'm going to play the video so that you guys are going to see the result and see everything. Now our video is ready. As you can see, this is the video. Let me play the video. This is the video here. As you can see, I'm playing the video right now. This is the video. So this is the video. Let me play the video full here so that you guys are going to see the video.
Guy, this Grok AI know they really free again. Oh. You go subscribe before you fit even generate video.
Now this is just 5-second video. This is just 5-second video I created. Now I can decide to generate another one again. And one thing about this, let me put it on full so that you guys are going to see it. One thing about it is that if you generate video with this AI tool, it's going to come with watermark. As you can see, it's going to come with watermark like this because you are using it for free. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how you are going to remove this watermark. Before the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you are going to do it. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Don't say I've generated one video, you have not have to do anything, you have not have to do everything. So make sure you watch this video. Now let's download this one to our phone. Let's download it. You are going to see download here. As you can see, download video. We click on it and it's going to start downloading the video to our laptop. Sorry, I'm using laptop as a phone. So that is why it is sometimes. So it's downloading the video already. So it has downloaded the video complete. Now let's go back again. I have another second prompt which I also want to use again. This is my second prompt. I'll just copy it, and after copying it, I'll go back to the AI tool. I will replace this one here. I will replace this one here. Then this is it. I will replace this one. I don't think the guy, this Grok no dey really free again. Let me go back to ChatGPT. I don't think I copied the right prompt. This is the second prompt here. I'll click on copy. I'll go back to the AI tool again. I'll select this again. Select all. The prompt supposed to change. I don't know now. Let me click on paste. Now this is the second prompt, and I'll click on generate again. So generating the second video. Generating the second video. The first one is here now. Now this is the first one. Now it's generating the second one. As you can see, this is the second one. So I just need to wait for 1 minute and it's going to generate the second one. And after I generate the second one, I'm going to show you guys how you are going to remove the watermark from this video. Yes, I'm going to show you how you are going to do it. So in less than 1 minute, it has also generated the video. As you can see, this is the second one here. And now if you want to remove watermark from a video like this, all you need to do is to go to this website. You just go to your browser and you search for video eraser. As you can see, video eraser. When you search for video eraser, if you are using maybe all this AI, you are using your mobile phone, there are some app that you can use to do this. As you can see, remove unwanted elements. So, or you can just go to your browser and search for remove watermark. You can just search for even remove video watermark. You can search for something like that. Remover, as you can see, remover. You can search for something like that, and you are going to see different type of website. Like this one, as you can see, this one, I'm going to use this one here. It's an AI tool which you can also use to remove any video watermark. As you can see, let me upload the video here. So this is the video we just download. Now I'll upload the video. This is the video. Now this is the video, and I'll just draw here like this. This is the watermark I want to remove. I'll just draw something like this. As you can see, maybe I don't think you guys are seeing it. You just draw it like this. You just need to draw something there to cover it up, and after that you click on remove watermark. And as you can see, it's a processing video. Now it's removing the watermark for us, and after you remove the watermark, as you can see, no need to wait for the result. You can continue upload new video to remove watermark. So if you want to another video to remove another video watermark, you can also do that again. So you can remove multiple video watermark at once. So let's go back to the AI tool. Maybe it's still generating our video. Now our video is also ready here. The second video is ready. This is the second video. Yeah, as you can see, this is the second video. Now let me zoom it so that you guys are going to see it very well. This is the second video. Now as you can see, this is the second video. I just give it a different prompt and it generate the video for us. So you can also decide to download it if you want to download it. This is the second one. Now let me download it to my laptop. So this is how you are going to use this AI tool to be generating videos for yourself every day. So if you want to generate videos for free, you can try this AI tool. If you cannot be able to pay for Grok AI, you don't have the money, you can try this AI tool. It is free. As you can see, I generate everything for free. So now, from the 300 credit they give to me, as you can see, I have 254 credit left, which I can also use to generate my next video. And every day when I log into the platform, I'll be getting free credit, which I'm going to use to generate the videos. So this is how you are going to use this AI tool. So if you want me to make a video on how you can use like VO3 or Sora 2 or Insides AI, you let me know in the comment section of this video, and I'm going to make video about that. Comment Google VO3 or Insides 2.5 or Grok AI, anything, just comment in the comment section of this video, and I'm going to make full video guide and show you how you are going to use those AI tools. So this is how you are going to use this AI to generate videos for yourself for free without subscribing to any AI tool. Now, you guys have seen the full video tutorial how you can get Grok AI for free. So if you watch this video to this moment, thank you for watching. And if you have not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos on how you can get access to free AI tools, you should also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.